Hi guys, you're on Elimination Channel. Today I will tell you how to play 101. 101 is a card game that is popular in Russia. In this game, a deck of 36 cards is used, and the superiority of cards is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Jack, Queen, King, Ace. Quantity of players. The game is played with 2, 3, or 4 players. If the game is played with 4 players, it can also be played with 2 teams of 2 players. The objective. The objective is to be the only player that didn't get 101 points. The player that got 101 points will lose and will stop participating. And the only player that didn't get 101 points is winning the game. Deal. Each player is getting 4 cards. Also, I'm playing with 2 players. It's getting 4 or 5 cards. And and oh yeah, they were in the first round. Yeah, this game is this game is what is it, rounds. The dealer is determined by drawing the first round. And after that, the dealer the player that goes next clockwise becoming the dealer. And the last card and the dealer puts the last card onto the table with the remaining deck. After that, the the gameplay starts. Gameplay. So the players must put cards with with the same suit or the same or the same value. For example, there is a king, which means that the players need to put, which means that Demon is the name of my plush toy. He needs to put a king or a spade suit card, and also if the player doesn't have fitting cards, then he gets one card from the deck. If it also doesn't fit, then they are skipping their turn, and after that the next player will go. and and the players are the players are playing like this until one player gets rid of all of their cards. After that the round ends and the point counting begins. Also, I should say I should definitely say everything about special cards. What are special cards? Special cards are unique cards in the game that's so basically when the player is putting them, next player has to play differently. I will start with 6. Also, there are 6 special cards. When the player is putting 6, the next player will get 1 card and they will skip their turn. 7. When the player is putting 7, next player is getting 2 cards and will skip their turn. 8. When the player is putting 8, the player that did that needs to needs to put another card on top of 8. And he needs and if he doesn't have a fitting card, he must receive cards from the deck until he will finally till they will finally put the card on top of 8. Queen. Queen. The queen is a trump, and because of that, the queen can be The queen can be put on any card anytime. Once the player is putting them, they will choose one of four suits, and the next player has to put a card of the chosen suit. Th- Also, the queen can be replaced with jack, which means that jack will be the card that requires the suit choice. And then we have the king of spades. When the player is putting this card, the next player will get four cards and will skip their turn. And finally, ace. When the player is putting ace, the next player will skip their turn. This is all special cards. Other cards like nines, tens, other kings, they they are not special cards. They're just regular cards. So yeah, these are special cards. now I'm now I will talk about points counting. As I said, the round is ending after the player getting rid of all of their cards. The point counting begins after that, and players are getting points for each card they have in their hand. And 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 I will now tell the value of cards and points. All of the all of the number cards like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, they give the amount of points they give is the same as their number. For example, 6 is giving 6 points, 7 is giving 7, 8 is giving 8 points, and etc. Also, jacks are giving 2 points, queens are giving 3 points, kings are giving 4 points, tens are, oh wait, no, aces are giving 11 points, and this is basically the value of cards and points. Each player, no wait, no, sorry. If the player is finishing the round with the queen, like he's putting the queen as the last card, then that player will get minus 20 points. But but if it's also but if it was a queen of spades, then that player will get 40 points instead. Will get minus 40 points instead of minus 20 points. And also in the end of the round, in the point counting, the players are getting 20 points for each queen in their hand. And they also get 40 points for each queen of spades. So this is how the point counting is going. Now I will tell you about the. Now I will tell how to. Now I will tell the team game. I already said that if the game is played with four players, it can be also played with can be also played with two teams of two players. That means that there are two teams of two players, and the score, like the points of these teams are equal, which means that both, which means that which means that the points of each player in the team is is added onto the over into the how say that into the total score. So so yeah, and also there are two nuances in the team game. The first one is that once the player is getting rid of their cards, the round doesn't end. It will only end if the entire team is getting rid of cards, and if the and also the teammate of that player will now will now put card twice instead of once. One for their turn, second for the turn of their opponent. Oh wait, of their teammate. I think I told you everything about this game. So yeah, goodbye. I will see you in another video.